So you already know that affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online because you don't have to create the products, you don't have to provide the customer service. All you need to do is find the right customers and drive that traffic to the affiliate marketing site where the product, the service, or the digital subscription is sold. But did you know that Pinterest is a great way in 2023 to sell affiliate marketing products, even if you don't have a blog? Well, if you want to know more, stay tuned because in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing in 2023 using your Pinterest account. So let's head on over here to this brand new Pinterest account. Well, kind of not brand new. I started this in October of 2022, and this was a new Pinterest account devoted originally towards my blog. So my blog here is called Lindsay's Reviews, and it's a review site where I review tons of different types of makeup, beauty, skincare, health and wellness products online and save you the time. So I go through all the reviews, I test out the products myself, and I give you my top picks so that you don't have to spend your time doing that work. So this is a very traditional way to do affiliate marketing through blogging. But what I wanted to show you is how you can add Pinterest into your affiliate marketing for 2023, even if you don't have a blog. So I created Lindsay's Reviews shortly after I launched the blog. And within a few months, you can see that we are already getting over 400,000 monthly views to this Pinterest site. Now, part of that reason is because I am doing Pinterest Lives. So if you don't know how to do Pinterest Live, you're going to want to head to this video afterwards. I'll put the link below as well and start your first Pinterest Live ASAP, like seriously yesterday. But if you can't do yesterday, then definitely tomorrow, because that drove my monthly views on this site from somewhere in the tens of thousands to over 400,000 within the last few weeks, and has also grown my actual followers. I'm getting people sharing out my pins and taking my pins and pinning them to their board. So I am gaining that traction, I'm gaining that exposure from other people simply from doing a couple Pinterest Live videos. So like I said, you can definitely use your Pinterest site to drive people to your blog. So you can see a lot of the pins on my Pinterest are pins that actually drive people right to my blog. So if we scroll down a little bit and I click on this one, the best products to dry and curl your hair, you can see that this leads directly to my blog. And on this blog is where I have affiliate marketing products that I've reviewed, and they go to my Amazon affiliate account. People can click on these and they can purchase things. What's even better though about being an Amazon affiliate is if someone clicks on your link, anything else they add to their cart and buy in the next 24 hours will also be tied to your Amazon affiliate account. So you can drive people to your blog, which is a great way to do affiliate marketing. But through Pinterest, you can also drive people directly to an Amazon affiliate account. So if you don't know how to become an Amazon affiliate, just Google it. That's how I learn everything in the online marketing space. It's all there on Google. And you can see this one right here, creating a glam eye look using just affordable products, actually links directly to my Amazon account. So if people are searching for how to create, an expensive look on budget makeup, and they come to my link and then they add, mayonnaise or other things to their cart, I'm actually going to earn the Amazon affiliate commissions from that. And this is the best part about Pinterest. Pinterest isn't a social media platform. So it's not like Facebook where you're hanging out with your friends, or even Instagram. It is a search engine. So the people that are coming to Pinterest, they are looking to solve a specific problem. They're looking to purchase things far more often than on other social media platforms, which means you can put your products and your services in front of them using keywords in order to get them to see your actual pins and then click on your links. So we can send people to our blog. That's one way to make money with affiliate marketing in 2023. We can actually send people directly to our Amazon affiliate account but you can also send people right over to your YouTube channel. So let's say you're reviewing products on your YouTube channel, or you're doing tutorials, or maybe you have a health coaching service. You can create pins that solve problems people are actually searching for. And then the link in your pin can go directly to your YouTube channel, where people can build that know, like, and trust for you, watching your videos, and then end up wanting to purchase from you, coach with you, whatever it is that you are offering from them. So Pinterest is not just for bloggers and moms that are looking for crafts for their kids or recipes for dinner. This is a truly powerful search engine that is so underestimated by many, many, many marketers online right now, especially, hint, hint, like I said earlier, Pinterest TV. Seriously, get on it. Okay, but what about my network marketing friends or my product-based affiliate marketers out there? I know, you're thinking, I am not allowed to use Pinterest to drive people to my replicated site from my company. And that is usually the thing that holds a lot of network marketers or affiliate marketers that just have like a replicated company site. It holds them back because they think, well, I can't use Pinterest, and they just completely throw in the towel. Well, I've got the solution for you. So number four, the fourth way that you can use Pinterest to drive people to those products for your network marketing company or your affiliate marketing company is either one, you can create a blog post. So right here, I created this pin, the best tasting energy drink out there. This happens to be the network marketing health and wellness company that I partner with. I absolutely love the products. And I went ahead and I created an article on my blog reviewing the products. So once you leave Pinterest and come over to my blog, you can actually click right through on the blog to my website to check the price and purchase the products from me if it is something that you're looking for, it's solving your problem. Or you can also do another strategy, which is to create a what I call a links list online. So right here, I've actually created, you can have a link tree, a milkshake. I use a company called Digital Mentors that allows me to create my funnels and my links list. And you can see that I've created a list of all my links. So when somebody leaves that Pinterest pin, they're looking at this product and they click through to my link, they can go right through to my links list, where I have a box right at the top of my links list to check out my favorite products. And I even tell them in this post that, the first pink box on my site will take you directly to check out my favorite products. So I'm letting people know right in the pin what they can do if they want more information on this product. So if they're looking for keto-friendly gut health and they want to take a look at this product in more detail, or if they're even just typing this product into Pinterest, looking for it, exploring it, they could come across my pin, click through to my links list that will take them to my replicated site. So that could be a really great solution for those of you who are trying to use network marketing or replicated affiliate marketing sites, and you're finding that Pinterest doesn't want to let you do that with your pins because that's not something that they like. So you can create as many blog posts as you want, but if you don't have a blog, you can also create a links list and drive people there in order to share those products with them as well and solve the problems that your audience is looking for on Pinterest. Now, the last and final thing that you can do is you can actually send people to a lead magnet. So again, if you head over to my links list, I can use this link as an example, and I could send people to my passive income streams for online marketers and entrepreneurs. This is actually one of my very own live lead magnets. And I can create pins that will drive people either directly to this lead magnet link or to my links list, and they can click through to download the free ebook. Now, why do I love this strategy from Pinterest? Because I'm getting the free traffic from people that are already searching for this solution, but then I'm actually gathering their email address when they click through to download the ebook. And the beauty of that is that I get them onto my email list. Like I said earlier on, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. And I love Pinterest because Hello, 420,000 monthly people taking a look at my pins is nothing to sneeze at, and I haven't spent $1 on any paid traffic to get those numbers. But ultimately, I want those people on my email list, something that I own long-term, where I can offer products, solutions, and services to them over and over and over again to solve their problems. So to cap it off, Pinterest is a great tool to be able to drive traffic to many things besides blogs. Yes, you can create blogs, but you can also drive people directly to your Amazon affiliate site. You can drive them to your lead magnets, your YouTube channel, or even with a couple of things in the middle, you can drive people directly to your replicated sites for affiliate marketing or network marketing business. So if you want to know more about these strategies, I actually learned all of this from my good friend who runs the Pinterest Marketing Academy. I'll go ahead and put that link below. And if you just always want to stay up to date on the newest marketing trends, what's working now, then definitely go ahead, click the link below and jump on my newsletter, because that is where I share all my best strategies and tips where nobody else sees them. All right, I will see you in the next video.